Miss Magdayo? Don't worry. You're in a hospital.
Si Ate Julie, nasan po siya?
She just left for a while. Kailangan na daw niyang bumalik sa opisina. Anyway, may iba tayong usapan. Have you consulted with a neurologist?
Hindi po. Bakit po?
We did a few tests to determine kung ano ba talaga ang reason kung bakit ka nagpa-faint. And according to our initial findings, we found a mass on your brain.
Ano po? Brain tumor?
No. I can confirm that right now. That is why I highly recommend that you see a neurologist. Have yourself checked. This kind of tumor can only be detected on its advanced stage. And do it right away, okay? Excuse me. We found a mass kind of tumor. I highly recommend that you see a neurologist stage. Have yourself checked. We found a mass on this kind of tumor can only be detected on its advanced stage. We found a mass on your brain.
Is this really happening? Bakit ako? Marami pa akong pangarap. Hindi. This isn't real. I'm just overreacting. Hindi pwedeng ito ang kapalaran ko. I want to be happy. Marami pa akong gustong makuha. This is just a test from God. At malalagpasan ko to. Malalagpasan ko.
Miss! You okay?
Hoy, magpapakamatay ka ba? Kung magpapakamatay ka, tumalong ka na lang sa building.
Sensya na ako. Bahala dito.
Sige, pagsabihan mo yan, ha?
Hoy, are you sure you're okay? Ingat ka, ha? Incident ka.
Ano nagagawin ko? Ano nagagawin ko? Think, Risa. Think. Kaya mo yan. Baka may chance na baka mali ang initial findings. Nothing's final until it is over.
Okay guys, listen. Guys, congratulations. Nag-trending ang hashtag SureLife for 3 hours. Very satisfied ang client natin sa mga marketing gimmicks.
Yes, right on.
Well, all we need to do now is to sustain the visibility and awareness of SureLife. Do you have any suggestions for that?
Sir, mag-sponsor kayo ng segment sa noontime game show. What do you think?
Well, pwede. But do you have any concept for that?
Sure, sir. I'll make one.
Risa? Risa, are you with us?
Yes, sir. You were saying?
Well, we need to sustain the visibility and awareness of Sure Life. Any suggestions?
Pwede tayo mag-sponsor ng game show or TV show.
Laura proposed that already.
Okay. Sorry. Sir, may I excuse myself? I just need to go to the restroom.
Alright, go ahead.
Ano nangyari kay ate? Lutang.
Si Risa, paranoid ka lang. Kahit doktor, nagkakamali.
I'm sorry, Miss Magdayo. Base sa initial diagnosis ko, may brain cancer ka. Stage 4.
Hello?
Dale, asan ka? Are you free? Pwede ba tayo magkita dito sa coffee shop?
Sige, I'll be there in an hour.
Sige, hintayin kita dito.
Ba? Naku, ang dami ko nabili. May sale kasi dun. Dali, ito. Meron akong nakuha para sa'yo. 300 ko lang nakuha. Ayan.
Ano to?
Hindi, may katerno pa yan.
Ay, ang ganda!
Diba?
Uy, alam mo, pero kung tinawaran mo pa to, makukuha mo pa sana to ng siguro mga 250 lang. Ay!
Hello, Ma?
Hello? Nak! Buti na patawag ka.
Kamusta bakasyon?
Okay naman. Okay na okay. Masaya naman lahat. Kaya lang, mas masaya siguro kung nandito ka. Ikaw, kumusta ka?
Okay lang din. Ma, may kailangan ako sabihin.
Ano yun? You're what?
I miss you all so much. And Dad, and Eros, and Shell. I miss you guys.
We miss you too, anak.
Sige po, enjoy kayo.
Nak, are you sure you're okay? Kumusta ang trabaho mo? Baka naman hindi ka na nagpapahinga.
Medyo nakaka-stress, but otherwise, I'm good.
I'm glad to hear that. Basta kung may kailangan ka, text or call me, okay?
Okay, Ma. Ingat kayo.
Ikaw din.
Ma, I'm sorry. Hindi ko pa kaya.